Like most of the developer jobs are already in risk with the introduction of co-pilots like GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Copilots. Already many of the developer jobs are in risk. Of course, like if you can see it on the other side of it, most developers these days are taking advantage of co-pilots, GitHub Copilots, or any other maybe paid programming AI agents, I think say. But this one is too good. ChatGPT recently released a feature called Codex. Like in ChatGPT, you will see it in the top Codex. Like if you click it, you will be redirected to a new different website with the URL chatgpt.com/codex. What is Codex? How it is different from existing maybe AI co-pilots, or how it matters in real? How, like, or what danger that it has, or what impact that it has on developers and coding jobs? I will share. I will quickly share like how you can uh, do something on Codex. So the first thing you have to do is, like, when you open Codex for the first time, it will ask you to connect your GitHub account. So I have already connected my GitHub account. So I have all my repositories here, and you need to create a repository. Like if you are working on a new project, then you can ask Codex. I mean, just give your task, like how you share things with ChatGPT. Like I want to build an app. I want to, like, I built a shooting game here earlier. I have selected the shooting game repository that I have created on GitHub and asked ChatGPT's Codex here to create a shooting game with some specs, like I have mentioned some specifications, and it is done. Or if you have a project already in GitHub, you want to troubleshoot issues, or you want to add features, or you want to fix bugs, this is an excellent tool. So I have selected a repository from GitHub. Once you connect your GitHub, you will have an option, you will get an option to choose a repository. So I have selected a repository. I'm just asking Codex, like, please find bugs in this project. So there is an option here to ask or code. So I have selected ask, and it is already working on my task. So you can see the backend as well, like how it is thinking in the backend. You can see that. So I just asked, please find bugs in this project, and Codex is doing its stuff in the backend. You can see like it is checking all the files in the repository. Like it will happen in seconds, like especially if it's a large project, like it's going to be super helpful, because you don't have to check file by file to identify or troubleshoot things. Here you can just ask a prompt and ChatGPT's Codex will do its work. So this is a big project, and it is running all the checks on available files. The other good thing that you can do with this ChatGPT's Codex is, like, you can literally create an empty repository on GitHub. Like you can do that by clicking new and giving a name to your repository and just make it public. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Once you create a repository, you can share that repository link, or you can select the repository link on Codex. It's going to be super simple. You can ask it to do whatever you want. It might be game, it might be any other web app, or it might be any other thing. Just talk with Codex and share your requirements. It's as simple as that. Even though it might take 5 to 10 minutes or even more than that, but still it's a very minimum compared to the months and weeks that developers usually take to build those apps. It's as simple as that. And I think it has been, yes, it has been completed. So it took a very minimal time to share, to identify the bugs. See, these are all the issues that Codex has identified. Undefined variables in one page, loop counter not declared, implicit global variables. So it has found around 8 bugs in total. So this is cool, right? So we can fix it as well. Like there is an option to start task here, so it will fix the bugs itself. So it is as simple as that, to build any app, to troubleshoot issues, to fix bugs. So this is super cool. It's definitely going to help developers, and sometimes it will replace if you are too old or too traditional in the way that you use technology. Obviously, if you use it properly, it can be your paid programmer. You can literally code, you can literally do things in seconds. But if you are not utilizing it, someone might use it and someone will replace you easily. So this is a cool one. I advise every developer to try this, to build stuff. And even if you are a non-coder, Codex is super helpful for you. You can literally build applications, build games easily using Codex, and you can troubleshoot, fix issues as well. Try these and let me know what you have done with Codex. If you have built any cool stuff with Codex, please do share that in the comments. I'd love to hear. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more regular AI content. Thank you.